Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel today, and welcome to day 4 of my Legion Secrets case study video. So before we get right into the video, you guys should know, as always, support your boy, subscribe to the channel. Your boy is trying to grow, so subscribe to the channel and turn on post notification. So as always, before we dive into the Clickbank to check my stats and all that kind of stuff, you guys should we still need to welcome the newcomers as to the people that don't really know what my Legion Secret is all about. So you might be asking yourself, what is my Legion Secret? So in a nutshell, my Legion Secret is a mailing system that gives you 100 leads a day for you to mail out, and these leads are interested in business opportunity offers, right? That's what the leads are interested in. These leads might not work for another category, right? At least that's what I had. I've not really tried it, but for the meantime, I'm still trying it with only people that are interested in business opportunity offers. That is what my Legion Secret is all about. No need to complicate it. So if you want to jump in on this system and follow me along this journey, right, to getting my first sale on Clickbank and many more sales like that, there will be a link in the description below for you guys to pick up my Legion Secrets. So once you click the link in the description below, you'll be brought over to a page that looks like this, right? Then you go down and click on use my secret now. Then you input an email. Then you click here to get started. All right, so next thing you do, you put in your full name, your password, you register everything that you need to put in here. You fill in your details, right? Then, like I said, the whole package is $60, right? They charge you $30 for setup fee, and they charge you $30 a month for your leads. So $1 for 100 leads every day. So $1 times 30 days, right? So in a nutshell, you end up with 3,000 leads at the end of 30 days. So that's basically what it's all about. Then you come in here, you fill in your credit card details, and you hit let me in. Then you get into the system. And like I said, if you're a Nigerian and you want to get into this system, and your card is capped at $20, as our cards are capped at $20, some people are saying 50, I don't know. But if you want to get in on this this offer or this mailing system, you are going to use a VCC company called Wallets of Africa. Actually, that's the URL. I'll leave a link in the description below for you guys that want to use this company. So just give it a second to let it load. Let me refresh the page. Okay, so you are now on the page. So this is the company you want to use. They give physical cards as well, but they can give you don't really need the physical card. They have USD cards and Visa cards, right? As of the time I spoke to them, they said their Naira cards are not available. Sorry, as you can see, free virtual cards too. The last time I spoke to them, they said their Naira cards are not available. It's only USD cards, and you can fund dollar on this platform. As at the time I bought dollar for 606. Yeah, that's just it. I know it's way high, but it is what it is, But if you have another company that can give you VCC and you can use to purchase the system, you can go ahead. But this was one I actually used. So, but I'll have a link in the description below for you if you want to get in on this on Wallet Africa. So now let me log into my Clickbank account and check my start. I'm in my Clickbank account right now, right? So the next thing I'll do, I click on login. I'm not sure if I make any sales today. I don't really know. I'm not positive because I think I made a mistake that I'll share with you guys. So then sorry about that. Alright, so let me log in. I just hope the password is correct, because sometimes I do forget my password. This is not logging. Okay, it's logging in now. Alright. All right, let me just go to my dashboard. I kind of made a mistake today, so no sales today. This is my day 4, no sales today, and I'll tell you why there is no sales today. I made a mistake, which is what I'm not going to do again. Sorry about that. So let's just check. Let's go over to reporting real quick. Um, has my reporting been removed? I don't think I can find any reporting here. Okay, sorry, I didn't see that. I don't know. I guess my mind was going somewhere else. Okay, now yeah, the reporting fees. Um, so far 52 ops, and I'll tell you why it is 52 ops and total of 3 ops. I made a kind of like a silly mistake yesterday, which I shouldn't have done, and the mistake was this page right here that I made. Alright, this was actually a silly mistake, kind of. Apparently, when I logged in, I noticed that nobody actually filled in their information, and it was wrong. I was thinking probably I could capture from some people's emails and like email them later on, but apparently it did not work. So I'm going to be scrapping this nonsense. It's not really nonsense in that sense, but I'll think about on that strategy some other time. So that's the mistake I made, and I won't do that anymore. So now I think I wanted to record something. Okay, I have my handy dandy notes here. I have my handy dandy Clickbank. So let me refresh this page. So I'll record my 6. So day 1. So for day 1, so that was on the 14th. Yeah, let's just give it a while to load up. I guess my PC is kind of slow to do today, or I think it's the network. I'm not really sure. I think both of them. So for day 1, I didn't send any emails. So I'll just hit 0 on my keyboard. So that's 0 on my keyboard. And tab total sales $0. Just make it 4. $0 here. I think yesterday we had I think 50 it was 51 hops, right? 51 hops. Can't really remember. Yesterday was 52 hops. 52 hops, right? And total of $0 as well. That was for 15th and 16th. So I'll put in 4 here, put in 0 here. That's basically it. The same thing since I mailed out on 15th. So for 16th, which is I think so this is actually 17th. Okay, for 16th was the day I made a silly mistake. I just say 0 hops, and $0. I'm not going to try that again. So this is actually a lesson, don't redo what I did. I don't know, maybe I didn't do the landing page correctly, but I'll figure out what I did wrong. Okay, so then the next thing I want to do is now I want to mail out for today, but I'm not really sure I'm really yet ready to mail. You guys should give me a second. Let me log into my dashboard real quick. My Legend Secret dashboard. Okay, so let me log into my account. So members login. I'm not sure I'm really ready to mail yet, because I'm doing this video like in the evening. So let me check my mailing system. Let me scroll down. Okay, I think it's time for me to mail now, so I can mail now. Okay, so so the first thing we want to go, as always, you go over to the marketplace. You go down to e-business and e-marketing. Then for this, I was actually in the group, in the my Legion secret group. So once you make your payment, once you are now in the system, there's a paid group for my Legion secret on Facebook. So you see people sharing their testimonials and that kind of stuff. So some people are actually saying that they are getting success promoting these rights app reviews. So I was like, let me just try live chat jobs. So this is going to be the third day I'll promote this. If I don't really get any thing on this product, I think I'm going to just change product maybe by on my fifth day. So but I'll just promote this one more time. So I'll click on I think I'll click on affiliate page. mm, right. Yeah, sorry about the slow loading. And I'll click on, as always, we are going for the email swipes. Then we are going for email 3. Then your first online project, your first page online project. So I think as always I'll just copy this whole thing, right? Copy this, then go over to my mailing system. As always, go over to my mailing system. I'll select this one, I'll select this one, I'll select this one, I'll select this one. I could just click select all. So and as you can see, they gave me 100 leads for today. That's 70. So I'm mailing 400 people today. So the first thing I'll do is I'll come down here, Control A, I'll delete everything. Then I'll just use Control V. I'll paste it all. Control X actually, so to cut, right? Then I'll delete this as well. And I'll paste it in the subject line. This might be the last day I'm going to promote this product. I'm not really sure, so because then the first name, as always, we're going to grow up and grab a code here because we want to address the email guys by their first name, right? Which is what I said so previously in my previous videos. So then I will highlight this and hit Control V, so then look for where I need to put in my affiliate link. So this place that says click here, I'll put my affiliate link there. So I'm always always generating a new hop link, MLGS. So I'll just do the $27 version. I wonder what that is. Then I'll copy this over to my mailing system. I'll highlight this, then this click here, and I'll kind of like hyperlink it. I'll press here. That's where I'll tap. I think it's not showing. Okay, so I'll paste it here. Then okay. Then I'll input my name here, Jeremiah. Right. Then I like to probably highlight this one, make it bold, or don't think this like any color. I like to make it blue, Then probably insert my hop link here too as well. and I'll paste. Okay, right, so we're good to go. The next thing I'll do is I will um preview this. Sorry about that. I'll preview this, and so that's just it. So I think everything all looks so good. I like how all the email swipes are neat, so it's well written and it's cool. So next thing I'll do is I'll close this, then check if everything is correct, you know. Then I will hit perfect timing, and I will send email. So now, as you can see, your message is queued. You'll be able to view the in the statistics page in a few minutes. So let's head over to the statistics page and check real quick. As you can see today, this was where I made the mistake. 300 leads. I shouldn't have inputted that landing page I put. So for this, the third one. I think this after this day, I might not really promote this product the next day. I might just change it instead. So as you can see, yesterday I got 17 clicks actually. So for some weird reason, I don't really know why they didn't input their email address. Maybe the landing page is not converting enough. Maybe it's not converting. Maybe it looks sketchy in that sense. Maybe the URL looks sketchy. So maybe that's the reason why they didn't convert. Maybe they're like, what kind of landing page is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? So maybe most of the people didn't do anything. So next time I'm not going to be using a landing page like this. So I don't know. I'll think of something else. So that's basically all for my day 4 on my Allegiance Secrets case study review. Join me on my day 5. So thank you guys so much for watching this my day 4, and I'll catch you guys in my day 5 video. So bye for now, and don't forget, if you guys want to hop in on this, use my link in the description below so I can get 200 bonus leads. And yeah, bye for now.